of the Yoruba sovereign territory, which is an independent sovereign nation since the colonial brainwashing arrangement called by Jilia is not a nation. Why encroach on indigenous Yoruba people's ancestral land? A sovereign nation, the colonial Elysian scheme called Nigeria. Take not that, Democrat, if we pundit of the Yoruba ancestral land, refers to the Long's territory, and Rizal word says you're on into indigenous Yoruba people, where the rights of our ancestral land shall be protected to ensure at encroachment. A nation is a large group of people united by common descent, history, culture, language, who inhabit a specific territory. Democratic Republic of the Yoruba is a nation. Democratic Republic of the Yoruba is a country. Illusion arrangement called Nigeria is committing acts of terrorism and encroachment on IOP assets, properties, and ancestral land. Indigenous Yoruba people's indigenous rights are non-negotiable. All represent titles of the colonial illegal scheme called Nigeria. Remove yourselves now from all properties and assets thereunto indigenous Yoruba people have the democratic republic of the old world. Indigenous Yoruba people have the democratic republic of the old, but have set reclamation, no technification to do officials of the colonial origin. Steam called my jailee to vacate our sovereign law. Died on decree of Almighty died. 2025 is indigenous Yoruba people's year of manifestation, year on occupation. A nation is a large oath of people you never dare common descent. History, culture, language, who inhabit a specific territory. Democratic Republic of the Yoruba is a nation. Democratic Republic of the Yoruba is a country. Illusion arrangement called Nigeria is complete acts of paddlism and a crutch nut ally. The assets of a dream